And so, do you want to change the education landscape? Do you want to change the movie and the music industry? Do you want to change beauty and fashion? Because God is going to use us in all of these things to advance his kingdom. Do you want to change the financial institution? Do you want to change the media world? Preparation is needed. If we talk about Noah, Noah prepared. He built the ark on dry land. He did not wait for it to rain. Remember that. He started building on dry land. Even if you think your life is dry, prepare. Start building and see what God is going to do. Lesson 2, the power of no. The power of no. Matthew 25, we're going to read 5 through 9. Now, while the bridegroom was delayed, they all began to nod off, and they fell asleep. Verse 6, but at midnight, there was a shout, "Look, the bridegroom is coming. Go out to meet him." Verse 7, then all those virgins got up and put their own lamps in order, trimmed their wicks, and added oil and lit them. Verse 8, but the foolish virgins said to the wise, "Give us some of your oil, because our lamps are going out." Verse 9, but the wise replied, this is important, but the wise replied, "There will not be enough for us and for you. Go instead to the dealers and buy for yourselves." The wise virgins said, "No, we are not giving you any of our extra oil." Now, that sounds like the wise were not spiritual. It sounds like they were mean, and when a Christian says no, it's not taken well. So they were not being Christian-like. They said no. So as Christians, it's more difficult to draw lines or set boundaries. It's hard for us to say no because we don't feel like we're being Christian, as I said. Listen to verse 9 again. We can put that up. Verse 9, Matthew 25, verse 9. But the wise replied, you can give me NIV. "No," they replied, "there may not be enough for both us and you. Instead, go to those who sell oil and buy some for yourselves." What the 5 wise virgins were saying is, we are not responsible for your choices. We are guarding our destiny. We are guarding our purpose. We are guarding our blessing. No, we don't have enough for us and for you. The wise were not mean. They could have been immature and asked the foolish, "Why didn't you take extra oil? Why didn't you prepare?" But they didn't. They were honest and they were caring. Honest by saying we don't have enough. Caring by saying go to a shop, go to the dealers, go to a store where they sell oil and get some for yourselves. The power of no is important when God prepares you for your destiny. The power of no is knowing that I can't take everyone in my journey with God because I don't have enough energy for me and you. So no, I can't take your calls anymore because all we do is talk negative about my boss. No, I can't take your calls anymore because all we do is talk negative about my spouse. Is talk negative about celebrities and these people I don't even know. we talk negative about the church. No, you can't borrow money again. No, I can't co-sign for your loan. No, I can't participate in such a matter as that. No, I can't respond to all your posts, to all your texts all day long. I have to guard my purpose with God. When you remove what drains you emotionally, physically, mentally, and intellectually, when you remove things that don't add value to your life, when you remove people that suck up your time or suck up your energy, heaven responds. Heaven make room for you for something new in your life. We can't ask God for the new in 2021. We can't ask God for the new if we don't get rid of the old that drains us, that don't add value to our lives. The wise were mature and knew that I can love you, I can support you, but I'm not responsible for you. So church, prepare and have the courage to say no. Amen?